Good morning, darlings. How are we today? I hope y'all are doing well, beautiful babes. And if you're new here, I call all of my wonderful subscribers and my viewers beautiful babes. So I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. Listen, I am trying to get cute for the day. Just styled up my hair and it's looking rather cute. Listen, I don't know if y'all know that I had kind of changed over my hair products to the hair diagram products, the Ashley Marie collection. This is the styling mousse I use right here. This is it. And I have 3 products of theirs I use. Let me show you just in case I haven't talked about it in a minute. Here, excuse the jars, they're a little dirty because I use them. I use the Moisture Control Curl Cream. This is for your curly hair. If you have, natural hair like mine, this is great. It has avocado and sunflower oil in it. Y'all know I love me some sunflower oil if you follow me on any of my channels. That is that. Let me show you what it looks like. It's super thick, y'all. Okay, a little goes a long way. I've had this for a minute because it doesn't take a lot for my hair, because if you put too much on it, baby, you can just slick it down and wrap it around. And then I also use the Curly Coil styling gel, and it has wheat protein and argan oil in it. This is it right here, and it's a pretty light gel, but it does the job for my hair. I love these products so much. Okay, love what they do. Yeah. And now, since I talked about that, let's do some skin. Okay. So yesterday was Tuesday, and Tuesday I designate for my skin as the Mandelic acid night. I mentioned to you all in a previous video that I had implemented Mandelic acid into my routine. So I only use it at night, okay? So that means in the mornings I don't. I just use my cleanser, which is a gentle cleanser. I use vitamin C, which this is the one I'm currently using or interchanging along with these. And then I use a moisturizer, which is this one. And I use an SPF of 30 or more. But nighttime last night I used my cleanser, this one here, the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. And I let my skin dry completely, so I'll do something else after I do, all of my shower stuff. And then I put on the Mandelic acid serum. This one, of course, the ordinary Mandelic serum, and it also includes hyaluronic acid, so I don't necessarily have to add another hydrating serum, but I do also have the hyaluronic acid from the ordinary, so I sometimes will apply it as well. And I ended with my moisturizer. And some nights before I put on my moisturizer, I may do a sheet mask as well. So Wednesdays, which is today, this is my recovery and barrier repair day. So for the morning routine, which is now, we're going to cleanse our skin using this wonderful face wash here, the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. And then I use a hydrating serum, which I'm going to go back in. As I told y'all before, I use the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. And then I use a moisturizer, which this is what I'm using today. This is the Glow Melanin Nourishing and Brightening Face Cream. Now my container is different because the packaging on the screen you see is the new packaging. They did repackage these products several months ago, but I do still have some left out of my old container, so that's why you see the difference. Love it so much. And of course, it's daytime. We're going to put on an SPF, again, of 30 or greater. I'm using the Dursi Tallow sunscreen. It has an SPF of 30, and this is great for those who are looking for a mineral-based sunscreen. It's a comfortable, moisturizing sun protection. It's not heavy or drying. You can use it on your face or body, indoor and outdoor. But along with that, I use many others, but this one, if you're looking for that clean girl SPF type of sunscreen, this one is the one to go to. So beautiful babes, guess what? Over there on Beauty by Sweet Angel, I did whip up this DIY 2% milk face mask. This may help if you have mature skin and you want it to look softer, smoother, brighter, and more hydrated naturally. So that evening, Wednesday evening that is, this is what I used on my face. 2 teaspoons of 2% milk, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and a ½ teaspoon of honey in here. And I mixed it into a smooth paste and applied it to my skin. Left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Like I said, this mask will help to gently exfoliate, soothe dryness, and support a healthy glow for mature skin over 50, over 60. Now you can use it 1 to 2 times weekly and always follow with a moisturizer and a sunscreen during the daytime. But I will link that video up in the iCards as well as in the description so you can check it out for yourself. But I did this before I actually went into my other skincare, which is what we're getting ready to do right now for the Wednesday night skincare. So earlier I talked about my morning skincare routine. So now let's talk about nighttime. It's time to go to bed, y'all. So I use my cleanser, which again, a gentle cleanser, which I've shared before. I also use a ceramide cream on Wednesday. So it's Wednesday. This is the cream I'm currently using. Well, this is the Medicube Jelly Cream. It contains hyaluronic acid, ceramides, multi-peptides. The texture feels lightweight, smooth, and refreshing on my mature skin without feeling greasy or heavy. And this definitely helps my skin stay hydrated and soft after using it. It definitely provides long-lasting hydration while helping support my skin's natural moisture barrier. It's really something you can use every day, but I just implement it into my Wednesday routine and throughout the week. So this is, again, Medicube Jelly Cream. I also use a peptide serum on Wednesdays, which we're going to use this one here. So yeah, I've been using the Good Molecule Super Peptide Serum in my skincare routine. It's Wednesday night, so this is what I'm using here. And I really enjoy how lightweight this one is, and it's hydrating. So when it comes to, restoring the skin, this definitely helps in the process. This serum absorbs so nicely without leaving my face sticky or greasy, which I appreciate. It's water-based, it's gentle enough for my skin, and it pairs well with the rest of my routine. And that really helps my skin feel nourished and comfortable. So if you're looking for a peptide serum focused on hydration and supporting aging skin, this one, Good Molecule Super Peptide Serum, may be worth trying out. Definitely. And I love to use like a sleeping mask or a thick moisturizer. And check this out. I love this one right here. The e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Sleeping Mask. Oh, this is especially formulated for my mature skin. This creamy texture feels so soothing and comforting on the skin, and it gives my face a soft, moisturized feeling overnight without feeling breezy or heavy. The formula feels so nourishing and calming, and it lays nicely over my nighttime skincare routine. I've noticed my skin looks healthier, more radiant, and feels more supple after using it consistently. For mature or dry skin, this is such a nice, affordable hydration boost that leaves the skin feeling pampered and refreshed. Ooh, girl, look at it. Just look at it. And that's the nighttime skin routine for Wednesdays, my recovery and barrier repair night. You can sit down and kind of plug in the products that you use through any of the AI systems. Honestly, it will share with you a great layout of a good skincare routine. I've always had one, but this really helps me to map it out where I can just go to my little chart of what day it is, what to use, and this pretty much keeps me on track, and I can rotate my products properly. So love this, love this. So beautiful babes, one thing I've learned about mature skin is that consistency and gentleness matter more than trying to do too much too fast. When adding products like mandelic acid or even retinol into your routine, always start slow and pay attention to how your skin responds. I will actually be continuing the next few days of my skincare routine over here, so stay tuned for that as well. Now, of course, we know mature skin can still absolutely glow and look radiant, but it truly thrives on hydration, nourishment, and protecting the skin barrier. A few important things to remember. Use lukewarm water, not hot water. Wear SPF every single day. Add extra recovery nights if your skin feels irritated. Focus on hydration, peptides, ceramides, and gentle exfoliation. You do not have to overload your skin with harsh products to see beautiful results. Sometimes the healthiest glow comes from keeping your routine simple, calming, and consistent. At the end of the day, a healthy skin barrier is one of the most important and biggest secrets to glowing, mature skin. Soft, hydrated, balanced skin will always look more youthful and radiant. Thank you so much, beautiful babes, for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.